we have completed one of the projects that we had here in the shop, which is this Mercedes SL500, which is a 2003 model. As far as on this CL in particular, it had the original commands radio in this vehicle still, for being from '03. It still had the factory Bose amp that was in this vehicle. Now, at the time of this recording, there wasn't an available harness that could keep the factory Bose still retained in the vehicle, which is operated over fiber optic. So we ended up replacing the radio. So that's a new radio right there. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It is wired. It does have the USB inside of the center console. Right now we've got a Samsung phone hooked up to it. That's allowing us to see the Android Auto on the screen. As far as the original amp, it's located inside of the storage compartment inside here. But we ended up taking that factory Bose amp out since there wasn't an integration harness, and we substituted it with a 5-channel Blaupunkt amp so that way we can retain the tweeters and the mid-bass, well, mid-range drivers on the doors, and then the subwoofer that's on the floorboard on the passenger side. I'm gonna record you guys a quick demo. Oh, and also too, we also added a backup camera as well. So right here's the backup camera, and we're gonna give you guys a quick demo of it. So yeah, that's the overall system of it. Something nice and simple, nothing too overdone. Still keeping kind of the OE feel, but with modern features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We can work on most Mercedes out there. We can also work on Lexuses. Our address is 503 Central Avenue in the city of Rayford. Our phone number is 910-782-0453. Let us know if your vehicle needs, and we're here happy to assist.